Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll create scroll-based animations using GSAP ScrollTrigger. The text has a smooth fade-in effect when it comes into view. The images also move from outside the screen to the center. This is also responsive and works well on all screen sizes. Let's get started. Let's begin with the HTML. We have one main section and it is divided into two parts. The first part is the context, which includes a title and a paragraph. The second part contains all the images. There are 6 image wrappers and each one contains a single image. The images start outside the screen and then move toward the center point. Now let's move on to the CSS. In this part, we style the layout, text, and images to prepare them for animation. We reset the margins, paddings, and box sizing for all elements. The images will fill their wrapper completely. We use space evenly to give equal space between these classes and around them. The section takes the full height of the screen. The background color is a soft gray with a radial gradient. We also set overflow to hidden. This hides the images that are outside the screen. The center point has a fixed size. Each image wrapper is absolutely positioned inside this point. We use a white background, rounded corners, and padding for a Polaroid style effect. The shadow looks too strong because the images overlap. This will be fixed after the animation is complete. The wheel change property optimizes performance for smoother animations. We center the text both horizontally and vertically. We slightly move the content up to prevent the images from overflowing the screen. We'll now add media queries to make the layout responsive. We reduce the width of the images on smaller screens. Before the animation starts, we move the text slightly down. We also hide the text and images to prevent flickering. This background shows how the images will be positioned. It's only for testing and will be removed later. Now let's move on to JavaScript. In this part, we create scroll-based animations for the text and images. We add the CDN links to use GSAP and ScrollTrigger. This plugin enables ScrollTrigger animations. The starting positions of the images are all outside the screen. Their final positions are around the center point. We also add rotation to make the images look scattered. Each image gets a starting point and a random rotation. It also starts at a smaller size. We also make it visible. So the animation starts with all images small and far from the center. Next, we create a timeline for the text. The animation starts when the context reaches 80% of the viewport. we animate both the title and the paragraph. They move up to their normal position and fade in smoothly. The second animation starts 0.3 seconds before the first animation ends. We also create another GSAP timeline for the images. It starts when the top of the section reaches the top of the page. We set the scroll distance for the whole animation. This makes the animation move smoothly with the scroll. Pin keeps the section fixed while the animation is playing. Now we animate all the images inside this timeline. The images move from their starting position to their final position. They rotate slightly and grow to full size. This short delay makes them appear one after another. Now, we remove this background color because we don't need it. And there you have it. We created scroll-based animations using GSAP ScrollTrigger. The images move toward the center while the text has a fade-in effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative projects. Thanks for watching.